guys, welcome back to my channel, Amazing K. I'm back with a special video. We have recorded this video back in June when we went camping at Golden Years Provincial Park. It is about 40 minutes drive from the place we live. It is such a beautiful ride through the lush green trees and mountains. This has been my favorite detox place by far because there isn't any mobile network reception here within, which means zero screen times and lots of fun outdoors. This is our campsite in Gold Creek Campground. I love this site because it's super private with so much space around it. And there is a beautiful Eloit Lake on one side. We have a picnic table and a fire pit within the site, so we brought some firewood. Look at that tree. It looks like a bear scratched its back on it. While my mom and dad are setting up the tent, here is me relaxing in my little hammock. That's me, ready for a swim in the lake. Look at that bear sign. It says barren area last seen June 17. That's like when we went to the campsite. Here's the footage of the bear walking on the road. This was from 1 week earlier. Creepy. Now this is our campsite again. We're walking towards the lake. We're all prepped and ready to go to the lake. As you can see, we're a bit closer to the lake, which is awesome. That's my grandma enjoying her me time at the lake. finally done swimming at the lake. It was a beautiful experience, and now we're headed back to our campsite. We had a really nice dinner with corn on the cob, and I forgot the other thing's name, but it was really good anyways. So after dinner, we went for a little walk to the washrooms. By the time we came back from the washrooms, everything was cleaned up and all set for sleeping. What happened the next day is for part 2 and only part 2. Like and subscribe. Bye!